Crystal Super Slick from System X Ceramic Coatings. Going on this Tesla 2016 Model S. Watch as the ceramic makes this matte finish aluminum shine. I'm gonna go ahead and seal this up. For the customer. System X ceramic coatings do come with a Carfax accreditation, so it will be registered to this car's VIN number. Pretty cool. Separate over-the-counter kind of stuff from these guys. I've been with System X now going on 9 years. I mean, something like that, 8 or 9 years. And I love the products. Even though this is a matte finish, now it has a super slickness to it that just, it's unreal. From this panel to this panel. You guys can't feel it in the video, but wow. So always using my 4-step process. Those are my first 2 rags. These are my 3 and 4 rags. I'll alternate rags out every panel or 2. Don't want rags to get super saturated with ceramic coating. Excellent. So now I have that fender is all done. The hood, the front bumper is all done. And this fender is done. So the whole front clip is done so far. Now I'll be doing a time lapse of this back half for you guys.